Maschine users, if your hats keep vanishing under the kick and rumble, this 3-minute Ableton tutorial fixes it. Listen to this. Your kick and rumble are locked, but the first hat you drop from Maschine just won't sit. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to use Ableton Overdrive and EQ Eight to give it the bite and space it needs so it cuts perfectly with the low end. Start with the spectrum analyzer. This hi-hat sample is tuned to F, and you can clearly see it's lacking energy in the 1 kHz to 3 kHz range. That's where Ableton Overdrive comes in. Watch how it adds harmonics and make that hat punch through. Now let's move on to EQ Eight. First, clean it up. High pass everything below 300 Hz and low pass around 11-12 kHz. We don't need that extra mud or harshness. Next, sweep with a narrow Q to identify resonant frequencies and cut them. Finally, boost around 1.4 kHz right at F to give the hi-hat more bite and presence in the mix. Now let's say the before and after. And that's it, a simple hi-hat processing chain in Ableton Live that makes your hat cut through the kick and rumble. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and if you missed the video where I built this kick and rumble, watch it here. Or if you want your drums to really slam, check out this parallel processing trick. It's the secret to professional techno production.